Thrive Academy is ThriveCart's new community account, much like Kajabi and Skool, Discord, all of those. If they had a baby, it would be Thrive Academy. So they just launched. There's 3 different tiers to Thrive Academy. So here we're going to go over it, and so you can figure out which one is best for you. I'll have links to everything down below in the description, as well as some free resources for you as well. So check them out. This is what the annual prices are, what you're going to be paying monthly. There's 3 different tiers. There's a starter tier, which is $37 a month or $444 billed annually. There's a growth tier, which is $67 a month, and a scale tier, which is $97 a month. So this is still way cheaper than the competitors, which is absolutely amazing. So the starter tier is 2,000 members, up to 10 communities, activity feed, threads, discussions mentioned, profile directory, all of that. One thing that's really cool with the profile directory is your members can message each other and have that community and have that relationship with each other, which is absolutely incredible. You would have to host it on a third-party website like Dropbox or Vimeo or YouTube. So now you can host everything inside, which is awesome. There's also gamification, which is really cool. So the points, the badges, letterboards, quiz scores, feed letterboards, member rewards and tags, student achievements and milestones, assessments of the quizzes, so you can see how people are doing. And, say you're having quizzes and people are not doing well on them, then okay, we need to cover this content more and we need to make more content on these aspects because my students aren't comprehending it. So it's really cool to get that feedback and see, oh, this is something I need to explain a little differently or better or make more content on. Revenue engineering, so native ThriveCart commerce inside a community, one-click upsells for existing members, which is really cool, paid private spaces, then also creator branding like logos and colors, webhooks, in-app notifications, all of that. And then growth. So this is $67 a month. So this is up to 10,000 members, unlimited communities, custom community domain, advanced member segmentation, built member import, all of that. Then there's scale, which is unlimited members, multiple branded communities, white labeling, branding, unlimited video storage, all of that. So these are the prices. Check out the description box down below. There's tons of resources down there. And if you want to see a full walkthrough of Thrive Academy, the ins, the outs, everything, check out this video here.